I was born in Mexico, in Chihuahua, and I went to school there until high school. So after I finished high school, I moved to the US to go to college at UTEP in El Paso, and I wanted to be a scientist. I just didn't know exactly what kind of scientist, but at some point in that time, I was told, "Oh, all you can do is be like a lab tech. You're not smart enough," or maybe it's because I was a girl. I don't know, and so that was a huge obstacle. But I was very lucky to have people that believed in me, and I saw myself in these people. Like I have professors like Dr. Socorro Arteaga, for example, or Dr. Jorge Gardea, and they just, I look like them, and I thought, well, if they can do it, I can do it too, right? So I just didn't listen to these people, and I carried on with my career. So I got my bachelor's in chemistry. I also got my PhD in chemistry. So I did a lot of research. I just fell in love with learning about the environment. So a lot of my research had to do with plants, with alfalfa, also with how we can use plants to remediate soil and water. So this is an area called phytoremediation. And we discovered during that research that some plants like alfalfa or morning glory, they can reduce really, really bad metals like chromium-6, which is a super, super toxic carcinogenic species. It can reduce it to chromium-3, which is actually something good that they give to people with diabetes. So that was really amazing for me. So that kind of sparked my interest in becoming a professor. And after that, when I graduated with my PhD, my research was in nanotechnology. So I went on to UC Santa Barbara in California. And I worked for 1 year at the Brent School for Environmental Science. And I was developing methods to study marine water and marine organisms. So as a chemist, I was studying the implications of nanotechnology in the environment. So I've always been curious about the environment and, of course, about science. So one of my research areas is environmental chemistry. So I analyze samples that come from the environment, like soil, water. I also have a research project in nanotechnology. So I make gold and silver nanoparticles, and I use them for different applications. They can be used for drug delivery systems, for radiation, like cancer treatment, but they can also be used in other areas like antimicrobial. So yes, my research is varied. I have many interests, but they all revolve around chemistry and how we can use chemistry to improve one's life.